we have another one of the... Hang on. Alright. So today we have another 650SX. Let's get it on. Check it out. See? There we go. It's all done. 100% done. 1000% done. I'm gonna send these parts out for powder coating. Normally there would be some factory rubber padding under this tank, but in this case, this ski never had that, and when I tried to buy it off eBay, it didn't work out for some reason, so that's why I went with the aftermarket black tip mat, and that is to keep the bottom of the tank from rubbing on the bottom of the hull. This is the beautiful Tucker Rocky Racing, I believe it is, intake grate we're going to be using. This is the latest and greatest, best technology for intake grates on jet skis. Best thing you could possibly put on one of these is this. So this is a neat little doodle, but I taped off and painted the ski, and there it is. Voila! I know everybody loves the paint job, but I don't know if everybody's gonna be so quick to embrace the tape job.
Well, there's that one guy that's complaining about it.
Yeah, there's gonna be one thumbs down. Some people don't appreciate the finer things in life, like backyard paint jobs. What's
Someone's
that place?
Like, I would never do that to my 30-year-old jet ski.
Yeah, I would never do that to my 30-year-old jet ski that the paint on it is already screwed and it looks like crap anyway. Boys, I'm not sure if we did a vintage jet ski commercial yet. Go buy some stuff from vintagejetski.com. Use the promo code JetSkiBrothers. The Red Ski engine reveal. Single 44mm Rakuni, and seems to run really crisp. I think this is my favorite carburetor setup for a simple engine that you just want to get ripping and running real crisp real fast. Now it's time for some jet trim. All right, here is my shin pad that I had to pay 180 bucks for. Anybody else have to pay way too much for a jet ski thing that is kind of old and crappy? Let me know. You're not alone. But I'm gonna be putting this guy right on over there. So it's time to get out the staple gun. Not bad, huh? Gosh, that just looks so much better. All right, during that last time lapse, the camera ran out of battery, and so we are just straight to here. So it's pretty much done. I'm gonna take care of this last little wrap around the tray. It looks pretty good. What would Jay Leno say? Wow, that actually looks pretty good. Wow. Guys, this is a classic ski. These guys sure do a good job because this looks okay.
All right, everybody, let me know what you think of this build. Do you want to see more of it? Do you want to see it running out on the water? Or should Jacob just put it up for sale and sell it before doing any more videos with this build? Are you guys interested on more of the information on the engine? Is it a stock engine or is it one of the ported big bore engines that Jacob got a long time ago? But that's going to do it for this one, and I will see ya in the next video.